This is gonna blow your mind. Have you ever seen your cat chirp at birds and wondered, is my kitty plotting world domination? Well, you're not alone. Cats chirp at birds for two main reasons: hunting instincts and pure frustration. Firstly, your cat's inner tiger is roaring. That chirping is their way of practicing the pounce, kind of like a feline battle cry. Secondly, imagine being super hungry and staring at a delicious burger behind a glass window. Frustrating, right? That's how your cat feels seeing birds they can't catch. Bonus time. When your cat chirps, it's like they're saying, "Hey birdie, you're lucky I'm stuck inside." Or like a tiny, furry cheerleader going, "You can do it, jump into my mouth, tag someone with a needy dog." And tell us, does your cat do this too? Let's chirp in the comments.